All right, hi everybody, welcome back to our Sunday school. Thank you for joining us. What we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna clean this dirty wheel, even have spider webs on it. That's how long this car's been sitting, and very neglected wheel. I don't recommend that you let your wheels get this dirty. The dirtier they get, the longer they sit with brake dust, the harder it is to clean. And the brake dust also etches into the rim, and might damage it. All right, so we're gonna start off with a little bit of soap in our water, Ultimate Wash. Just a couple of squirts, not too much. And then we're gonna start off first with the iron remover. Like that, it starts loosening up all the iron, all the brake dust and stuff like that on it. So iron remover removes all the iron, the brake dust, and it also just doesn't run down. It cleans on it. It has a wetting agent like that. It sticks onto the surface longer and it cleans. It's not just an iron remover, it also has cleaners inside of it. All that purple you see right there is the iron remover attacking all the iron, the brake dust, any metal particle that's on the wheel, on the rim. Not all rims are going to turn purple because all the brakes are made differently. So wheel and tire cleaners for your rubbers, for your rubber tire. You can also clean your rim with it, but I'm not going to spray it on the rim because I sprayed iron remover. I'm going to spray it underneath the carpet. Like that, it loosens up all the grease and stuff, that grime that's on the bottom of the wheel well. First we're going to scrub the tire. So with this brush right here, what we're doing, we're getting all the big areas. And right now I'm gonna use a smaller brush to get onto the nick and crannies, like the harder reach to areas in here. All right, so now I'm gonna use a smaller brush to get into the grooves. So right here, we're using a stiffer brush because it's all caked in there. So I'm trying to loosen it up with a hard bristle blue brush from High Tech. So a lot of people are gonna ask if this scratches your wheel. If it's a shiny painted wheel, do not use it. This right here is a flat matte colored wheel. You're not gonna show any scratches. So now we're gonna clean the barrel. All this right here, you see the orangey part and the purple, it's all iron and rust. Look at that, wow. So now we're gonna get the towel. Now we're gonna go in there and clean a lot more in case the brush didn't get into it. All right, so now we rinse. All right, thanks everybody for always tuning in to our Sunday school. Stay tuned for next Sunday. We're gonna do the satin paint. Gonna show you how to maintain it and add protection to it without adding any shine. See you guys next Sunday. Take care.